Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A32 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big button at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And let's stop by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to the left to this one. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery, and now we can see our slow motion video. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.